Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market for you. Today, we're diving into the world of frozen chicken strips, specifically tailored for the air fryer. And let me tell you, we found a real gem. Introducing Tyson air-fried perfectly crispy chicken breast strips. These bad boys are not your average frozen chicken strips. They're specially designed to be cooked in the air fryer, resulting in that perfect, crispy texture we all crave. Now, what sets these apart from the competition? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk nutrition. With only 150 calories per serving and a whopping 16 grams of protein. These chicken strips are not only delicious but also a great source of energy to fuel your day. And what about ingredients? Tyson keeps it real with minimally processed, all-natural white meat chicken. Paired with a blend of spices and seasonings that'll have your taste buds dancing. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what others have to say. Customers rave about the crispy texture, the convenience of cooking in the air fryer, and the delicious flavor that's kid-approved and perfect for the whole family. Now, let's talk about the cooking process. No need for complicated recipes or deep frying. Simply pop these Tyson chicken strips into your air fryer, and in just minutes, you'll have golden brown perfection. And the versatility doesn't stop there. These chicken strips are perfect for wraps, salads, sandwiches, or simply enjoy them on their own with your favorite dipping sauce. So, whether you're a busy parent looking for a quick and nutritious meal, or a chicken enthusiast searching for that crispy perfection, Tyson air-fried perfectly crispy chicken breast strips have got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, happy cooking!